What's up guys, you clicked on this video because your text animations probably look too simple or just bad, and if we're being honest, if you're only using the scale property, it never really feels like your text fits your AMV. Now today I'll show you how to fix that and how to make your text animations 10 times better. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you can do to make your text look instantly better is to make sure that your pen crop on your clip is the same on your text. So I'll make a text layer really quick, so go to the text tool and then click on your clip and let's make the text 4x. Alright, so what I mean with editors that only use the scale property is this, and it doesn't really follow the pen crop of our clip. As you can see, our text stays here, but our clip is already going to the left. So what I can do is press P and then let's go to the right. And then somewhere around here, our clips start to go to the left. So we'll make a keyframe. And then you can go to the end and let's make it go to the left as well. Alright, now we can keyframe this. So select them all, press F9, go to the graph editor. And then we should go to the speed graph. And here we can just make this kind of graph. And as you can see, it follows our clip and it looks way better. Now, the second thing to improve your text animations immediately is to have more motion in each character separately. So now each character moves at the same speed and at the same position. So as you can see, it just scales. And what we can do to make it look better is to have some randomization on each letter. So I'll just show you a quick example of how to do this. But there's also other methods, but I'm just showing you one of them. So what you can do is go to this arrow, then go to text. And then here you can see animate. And then you can click on this icon here. And you want to add a position. Then down here you want to add a selector and then wiggly. And then you want to delete this range selector. Alright, then go down to the wiggly selector. And you can make the wiggle seconds around 2 or 4. We'll just pick 4 for now. And then the correlation, you can choose this one. If you put this at 0%, then you'll see that all the characters will be more randomized. And if you put it at 100, they will all move the same. And that's definitely not what we need. So I'll put it at 50, and now you can change the random seed and make sure the first value in the position is -50 and the second one is 50. Now you'll see that all our letters will randomly move around. So we don't want this throughout our entire animation, we only want this in the beginning and at the end. So now we'll animate it, and you can do it with this max amount and this min amount. So make 2 keyframes, go to the center, make another 2 keyframes, make these ones 0. And then go to the end and make this one 100 and a -100. Alright, then select them all, press F9, and then go to the graph editor. Now make sure it's on value graph. And now what you can do is select these middle keyframes, hold shift, and drag these ones a little bit outwards. And now we can also play around with these other settings, so let's put it at 3. Now you can also play around with this one. I have done intersect, but you can also make it add, and it'll be something different. And that's how you make your text better. So just try to experiment with each character individually. You could also do some other movements, just like this randomized one. But the main idea is just to not only use the scale property, because your text will look really basic, and I still see it a lot, so make sure to experiment with it. Alright, hopefully you've learned a lot, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to go to the first link in the description down below if you want me to help you even more with After Effects. Alright, bye bye.